Lightning.
Before the thunder, thunder.
I was lightning before the thunder. We are going to see thunder.
I just seen thunder.
Where?
Lightning trying to strike somewhere by there.
Yeah.
I just seen.
I can see.
Like I seen bloody some stuff got my there or something like that.
What was it?
Like a rumble.
What's the yellow?
Blue.
Ooh. Why isn't he so scared like me?
Because when she's seen it by there, because she thinks the mountain's so close, she thinks she's gonna get struck by lightning.
Ooh. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry again.
I've got it on record though.
Nice. Yeah.
Wait, did it strike twice?
Yes.
If it strikes 3 times once, get out of the area.
3 seconds.
That was 3.
Last 2.
That was 3.
That
That was 3.
That was 2 in a row.
That was 3.
No, that was 2. No, it hit once, then twice.
I'm pretty sure that was 3, mate.
Trust me, young blood.
Yeah, I love lightning.
Yes, same. It's like twice. Oh, I love it.
Is it 3?
Scary and cool at the same time.
Oh, I just seen that on my phone
That
then.
boy's good. That
Okay.
boy's ready to defend. Oh, maybe too far. Yeah.
There you go.
Just look in the hut.
Oh, I seen that. That was thunder.
Hayden got it all on record so you can see it.
Nice hour, wasn't it?
Tristan.
Oh, that was just that was lightning in a straight. What?
Boy, good.
I've never seen lightning in a.
See what all on it.
What? What the shigma?
What the shigma?
Oh, that was lovely. That was lovely. Oh, that was big.
Sloosh again. What the hell?
Oh, I seen that.
I don't see
Oh, that was on camera as well.
Sloosh.
How can you on the boat trip the rest of the other day? Jumped off.
Tristan.
Oh, luckily I turned the camera on time.
You're on a little shit. And you're close to the edge, aren't you?
Imagine one just striking through that cloud all the way to there.
Hits the girl's head.
Imagine
Hits the girl's head with
red
it.
one far close to us by there.
Hits that girl's head.
Hayden.
Oh, that
Do you know
was
the close one by there?
that one.
The red one.
Yeah.
That was thunder's there.
If it struck there, it would have set on fire.
When you go back, don't mention anything about the lightning.
I know. I'm watching it.
Yeah,
No,
record.
but when you come back,
That's sick.
Let's do the veggies. Eat them up while you can.
Oh, it was a level over there. That was sloosh. Ow, what the shit, man.
And that was the last time I seen a whale.
Okay.
Was that just over there?
Oh, there. I'm not sure if I was blue.
When it gets to 4 minutes, I'll stop recording.
And you missed it.
When it gets to 4 minutes, I'll stop recording.
Imagine putting a blaze rod there.
Huh.
You're fired.
Dun 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 dun. I'll
Imagine putting a lightning rod.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video now, Leo, okay?
Huh?